Do free websites really pay you daily, or is it all fake? In this video, I tested 3 free websites that claim to pay real money. Let's see what actually happens. 1. Freecash. First website is Freecash, one of the most popular earning platforms right now. Here, you can earn money by completing simple tasks like downloading apps, completing offers, and answering surveys. Result: I completed a few offers and earned around $5 to $8 in just a few hours. And the best part, payout is fast, sometimes within the same day. 2. TimeBucks. Second website is TimeBucks. This platform pays you for watching ads, doing social media tasks, and completing surveys. Result: I earned around $1 to $3, but tasks were easy and consistent. It's not high paying, but good for beginners. 3. Surveoo. Third website is Surveoo. This site focuses mainly on high-paying surveys. Result: I completed a few surveys and earned around $3 to $6. Some surveys pay really well compared to other sites. Final result: here's what happened after testing all 3 websites. Freecash, $5 to $8. TimeBucks, $1 to $3. Surveoo, $3 to $6. Total earned, around $8 to $12. Comment below, would you try these websites? So yes, these websites do pay, but don't expect instant rich results. These platforms are great for beginners who want to start earning online, but they are not a full-time income source. For more information, the link is provided in the description box. Subscribe to Dollar Secrets for more real money-making experiments. Comment below, would you try these websites?